intro about Rashmi. There's a very big matter here, which definitely I'll share with you guys, and she is into so many things that we can't just read it out here. But her prime areas have been leadership and management, cross-cultural communication, presentation, team building, campus to corporate, time management, and customer service. So she's a passionate change agent with more than 17 plus years of global experience in training and organizational development arenas. And she brings with her 10 years of experience from Infosys, where her last role was manager sales. And she has a proven track record in achieving results and positively impacting business issues via people skills and partnership with executive levels. And during her corporate stint, she has embarked on different assignments, including operations, training, recruitment, quality solution design, call center design, press sales, and just the sales part of it. So it's an honor to have you amidst us.
Thank you so much.
We look forward for this exciting session. We had a prelude from Kamam. So
oh, did you? Okay.
So please accept a small token.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's nice. Thank you so much. Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Why are you so serious? Relax. It's not board, though it's in boardroom, but it's not boardroom meeting. Okay, relax. Do I look scary? I'm vegetarian, so I will not eat you. So don't worry about me. Everybody is still serious.
So you will run the slides, you want someone to?
I'll run it. Thank you. Koncham Telugu Raledu. So you're I know one word, but not more than that. You know Telugu?
No.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
I need some energy.
Good evening, Rashmi.
Only one person is giving all the energy.
She's the manager for this team.
I like it because the manager is in the front. I really like it. Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Little more.
Good evening.
Everybody on the floor needs to know that there's something happening here.
Loud.
Loud.
Good evening, Rashmi. That's
Good evening.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Good evening, Rashmi.
Okay, this was volume 8. I like 30 as a number. Okay, let's 8 to 15. Let's try 15. Okay? On a count of 1, 2, 3.
Good evening, Rashmi.
Okay, this went down actually to 6. Okay, we have 2 more chances. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Good evening.
Okay, I think we need coffee, tea, or some Red Bull. One last time, let's try. Sanjukta, do something.
Think of the scariest thing you ever seen and then scream.
Yeah, and I have taken anticipatory bail. You can do whatever next 2 hours. Nobody will tell you anything except me. Okay? Ready? Yes? One last time. And you're being captured on the video. So they should know what is the power of this team at Technogen. Okay?
Now it's really on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes? Because we do it. What is tech? Yeah, what is this? Technogen. I learned the whole phrase now. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Good evening.
Okay.
Oh
So
my goodness.
it didn't show 30, no, on the camera. It didn't show. You want to try one last time or? Okay, enough. That's all we have. What time did you guys log in today?
9.
Okay. No issues. Did you have heavy lunch? How many of you ate biryani today?
For lunch. Put your hands up.
Why are you hesitating? I thought the Andhra, Telangana people are very proud that we had biryani for breakfast, lunch, dinner, evening snack, everything. No? You guys don't belong to that community?
I love biryani. Me too.
Any 3/4? You guys don't love biryani? Don't say it loud. You might be expelled from Telangana.
We all do.
Everybody loves biryani. Everybody who comes out from another state, first thing they say is biryani. That's what they want to eat. Okay, with that note, we will have a little bit of ground rules for the next 2 hours. Is that okay? Yes? First and foremost, phones on silent mode. Is that okay? Emergency boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife calls, they can also wait. It's okay. Okay? Second, we'll all actively participate. This is not a lecture. And this is not a speech that I'm doing. No. We are here to cross learn. Both of us are learning something. Yes? We'll actively participate? Yes? Yes. Everybody? Yes. Okay. No cross talks. Anything is there, you can tell me. Or share it with everybody so that it's easy. When one person speaks, we'll give the respect of listening. Doable? Yes? And last and foremost, we really want to have a lot of fun and learning. Yes? Is that okay? Yes. Or you just want to do learning? No, you won't get that because I get bored. Okay, we have 80% of fun and 20% learning. That's enough. Good enough. Hey, you're nice. Everybody says yes for everything. Okay, so quickly, do you guys have worked with each other for a very long time?
Most of us.
Yeah? Okay, that makes it interesting. So we will cross-introduce each other. Okay? What we'll do is, I'm sorry, Shakir, okay. Shakir will introduce his neighbor, and when he introduces his neighbor, he will also tell an adjective that suits her with the first alphabet of her name. You feel you're on limelight or spot? You feeling scared? You're on camera. Okay? Yes? Ready? Everybody clear with the instruction, right? Okay, super. Yes, Shakir. Camera, roll, action.
My name is Shakir. I have been working with
No. You are introducing her to all of us.
with Technogen from past 3 months. And she's working as a account manager here.
And an adjective.
From N. Shakir, you have a new mouthpiece. You have a spokesperson.
That person never opens up.
We will do that. We'll take care of it. Yeah, Shakir. Shakir.
No, N says.
Only looking bold, not bold. Okay. What did she do to you? Did she get biryani for you? Huh? Or did she give you some signals? If you don't say a good word for me, then you had it.
They were preparing for the adjectives with the first.
This is why we shouldn't give the question paper before the exam. Okay, Nirupa, you wanna?
So he's Shakir. Adjective is silent. He don't talk much. Okay, and with his work wise, he is good.
What else he is not good at?
Talking.
Is that why you're wearing mask?
Yeah,
He's so scared
about COVID.
It's okay, no problem. That's his this thing. Okay.
He's silent.
Silent Shakir. So she is nice, Nirupa. Is she really nice?
Yes, yes.
Oh. On popular demand.
Now if you ask, we'll say that. Ask us separately, we'll tell something.
Oh, okay. There is outside the boardroom talk. Okay, we'll do that. Parking lot. Yes.
She is Padma.
Huh.
And on P, I can say adjective to the Padma.
I can say.
Perfect walker, I can say.
Wow.
Oh my God. I like to have such members in my team. Okay. Yes, Miss Perfect.
Yes, his name is Raghu and he is with the organization. It's more than close to 3 years now. And adjective about Raghu.
He told perfect. You better say a good word for him.
I'm just finding out the good word.
No,
We don't have to cook. Whatever comes, as soon as you see that person, whatever you do.
It's hardworking, I can say that.
R.
But yes, that is
Again,
what.
R it should come in. That's a good one. She gave really hardworking.
Yes, really hardworking, yes. I can say that.
I asked for one word. You gave me a sentence.
What I have to tell?
Yeah, Raghu, you did nothing.
Nothing to Padma.
Nothing. And you call her perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
She is Lakshmi and from past 1 year she is working with technology. She will follow. She is very loyal.
Loyal Lakshmi.
Past 6 months. So, adjective from our with Tara.
you don't know adjective or you don't know adjective for her?
Tara not getting anywhere.
Anybody wants to help?
Royal.
Royal Rekha.
Yeah, Royal.
Royal Rekha.
Oh,
Nice.
this is loyal, this is royal. Okay, match fixing. Hey, he's really hardworking now.
Thank you.
Okay.
We are in technology since last 6 years, and she is smiley always.
Smiling Swapna. Wow. That's nice. I think suits her. She's been smiling.
Is Upendra and since 3 years he is working in Technogen. He is a unique personality in the Technogen.
Unique Upendra. Oh my God. That's a good one.
She's marvelous.
Marvelous Madhuri. Nice. Okay. अभी के लिए चेंज कर दो. क्यों कर दो? खुशबू. खुशबू.
You have so much time, think.
You quickly think now.
Anybody wants to help?
Hasn't she been kind to you anytime?
She's not a queen, she's a king.
King Khushbu? Yeah, acha. It sounds nice.
So she is Pravina and she is with us. It's been close to a month now, and she's very positive.
Positive Pravina. Oh, Pravina Prasanna. Okay,
And
yes.
all three are Lakshmi. Lakshmi Pravina, Lakshmi Prasanna, Lakshmi Sri Lakshmi. So 3 Lakshmis we have.
All girls are Lakshmis by default.
No, Samad Durga.
You.
Sometimes we have that also. Yeah.
What's her adjective? So she's the most fun-loving and dedicated manager, operations manager, who is leading the team.
अच्छा appraisal आ रहा है क्या?
Yeah, she doesn't report.
And the adjective that I would say for her is superwoman.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Next Marvel series, Superwoman after Wonder Woman.
You can say the moment you enter the door, start flying.
Don't ask me to wear the costume.
He was very clear. Only start flying.
That's fine.
I'm ready. No costumes.
Okay, superwoman. Sanjukta.
Okay, so she's Supriya. She's with the company, I think 6 months or so. Yeah. I mean, she's great in everything, you know, and she gives solutions for everything. Just like quickly, she'll provide solution for everything. For her, adjective will be same like super, sweet, you know, whatever you call. So I was thinking about that only, but you told the same thing too. Okay. She's super.
We're having telepathy now.
I know. Super is taken.
Oh
Sweet.
my God. Sweet is also taken if you say that already sweet is there, right?
No one is taken.
There was no sweet there.
She's sweet.
Yes, that's right.
Bengali, so she is focused on
Ah,
Mishti.
I mean, you should only thank your stars that they didn't start off in Bengali. That's
Acha.
the usual thing.
Balu Bhashi. Okay. विनय का क्या होगा?
Vinay खुद बोल लेगा. Only I'll tell you the adjective that I put on myself, vocal.
Okay, yeah.
डर इतना है कोई सीधा नहीं बोलेगा.
Up, why don't you turn this side? Now tell me. Turn this side, Vinay. They're
Okay,
scared.
yeah.
हाँ. Versatile Vinay.
Wow, that's nice.
Because they'll get into the
इतना
all
टफ है
aspects.
क्या? Google क्यों करना है? हाँ? Because
They'll get into the all aspects in the company, response messages.
Yes.
Read between the lines.
Already, yes.
Tag नहीं पहना, वो नहीं करना, dress नहीं है.
Okay. So versatile
Thank you.
Vinay.
Thank you, mate. Yeah.
Match fixing that, yeah?
Not like that.
Guys are enjoying, having fun as technologists?
Yes.
Yes. Yes?
Yes.
Doing well? Doing
Definitely
well?
yes.
Yes. Very much. Super.
so let's go back to the topic for the day. It says business acumen. What is business acumen? It's part of it. Acumen is basically a skill. That's about it. Anybody wants to Google and get an exact definition? What are part of decisions? Today I'm going to office. That's a decision. Acha, going to office is a plan.
It's a commitment, Rashmi. I would say that, you know, when we are committed to something, we are you know, taking our own decision and choice and committing ourselves into something. So that's where you know, when we are an employee, we should look at the benefit of the company.
Okay, so looking at the benefit of the company, you are allowed to take certain decisions, right? Yes, that decision does not mean you coming to office or leaving from office or doing anything. It's more based on your role. How many of you are account managers here? 2? Okay. And what are the other roles? Sourcing. And most of you are into sourcing. All right. Okay. So with that, let's move on to understanding what is ownership. Because your business acumen, ownership is part of business acumen. Only when you own something, you'll start thinking about it, right? That's what is ownership? And do you need to have ownership, or do you have ownership at work?
Yes, we are going to have ownership.
Accountability. Responsibility. Okay. Any examples that in your experience at work, or maybe outside work too, it's fine, that you can share where you have taken ownership? Ownership of the candidate, okay, but there are challenges when you know you would have sourced, scheduled an interview, but they don't turn up, right? What do you do at that point in time?
Build a pipeline. Not only depend on one candidate, but however, you know, build a pipeline. If one is a no-show, we have immediately another candidate who can be put across.
Okay, cool. Okay. So you're already thinking of ownership. Again, it's not only ownership as for sourcing, but when you are working on a particular account, you are owning that person. You're being the communicator for that customer or the client, right? So, okay. So that is what ownership is all about. how do you inculcate ownership in your team?
Okay. So each of us have our own responsibilities and goals that we have as a role, right? Okay. How much do we own that goal?
Okay, ownership.
So it should start, suppose we have given ownership to someone, suppose I have my own thing to do. Now I have been given a set of responsibilities, starting from where I start till the end, everything I have to own. I cannot blame someone else just because I am not capable of doing. So that ownership I have to take. If things are not falling into place, I have to see where are the things wherein it is going wrong, how to streamline those things and get into the end result.
Okay. Do you also think you can have certain amount of ownership, because let's take an account that you're working on. What's a popular account that you work on? Customer side. Verizon. Okay. So if you have been working with Verizon for a long time and suddenly they come up with there is a requirement for business development. Do you do non-IT? No, you don't. IT only. Okay. They have a requirement for a system architect. Sorry.
Recently they have given one challenge.
Okay, share that with me.
Data scientist.
Data scientist. Okay. Oh, then no. Okay, that's a new role. You don't know what a data scientist is.
Rashmi, I'm sorry, you're keeping beside me.
See, I tried to help you. You didn't understand.
I'm being honest.
You're
Good.
taking an ownership here.
That's what we are learning.
Correct. Good. See, live example. Immediate conversion. Okay, sorry. Yeah, please. They had the requirement for data scientists. Then what happened?
They themselves say it is a very tough requirement, we can't able to close, please help us the tip. So then we will try to close that requirement, we will try different ways.
What are the different ways to try?
Existing, like what are working current same role, that we will take the differences from the candidates and we will reach them. That's also, we are not getting, still not, last 2 days we are struggling to get the profile.
Okay.
But still we are trying, and we are trying entire day also, we are not lose that hope. And at any cost we will close that position. That is our ownership.
That is their ownership. But what is that extra step that you would go? Okay, you have ABCD sources from where you source your database, right? Other than that, in those places it's not available, then what do you do? Headhunting, okay. From LinkedIn?
Yeah, not only LinkedIn,
Social media. You said something? LinkedIn sourcing, okay. Then? What groups?
Suppose like data scientists, we go for posting, we add the links and we post the requirement over there.
Okay, okay. What else do you try?
References of
from the
of product based or such type of we target companies and we take the references.
Okay.
So
That's more of headhunting again, target the company. What else can you try? Do you do references from friends and family?
yes, that's what you do.
Yes. That's the first one?
No, groups means all the groups and whatever we have in
Oh,
social media, family or
all the WhatsApp groups.
and WhatsApp.
And also we try to pull references through the placed candidates which we have.
Okay, okay, I get it. All right. Okay, so quickly, let's do a small activity. Game? Okay. Here is this, okay, this is one team, this is one team. Here is a example. Here is a story. Okay. Imagine 6 of you are out on a vacation in a jungle. Okay. Now, while you're walking, it's quite late in the night, and when you're walking, you suddenly realize that all of you, all the 6 of you, have been bitten by a snake. Okay. And when you're bitten by a snake, what you need to do is give a antivenom, antidote, right? in the group, there's only one antidote, but you are 6 people and you can give it to only one person. Now, the 6 people group, we have one who is a young student, okay? Then 2, we have an ex-army man. 3, we have a pregnant woman, okay? 4, we have an employee from Technogen who has done his Saturday night party, and after party he is there, okay? And 6, you have your best friend. Sorry, this is 5. 5, you have your best friend. 6 is you. Now, who would you give this antidote to? Think about it. Don't have to jump into conclusion. You can discuss, take 2 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. Discuss, get up, move around, discuss. It's a group activity.
Everybody has to discuss. Get up! Wake up! Get up from your seat, it's okay. Now.
Guys, so it is unanimous, right? You're going to give it to me. Right? We have decided, right? So.
Ask them.
We have to wait.
You're blackmailing. Whom do you want to give? Guys, don't come under any pressure. They are not managers today.
Okay, guys, let's turn it up.
You have 30 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Time up, time up, time up, time up.
No, she will. Okay, we are ready with an answer.
Time up. Back to your place.
Time up.
Time up. Same. Same. Same? Same. Okay. Who is my right team spokesperson? Sweet Supriya. Okay. Left team? Super Sun. Hey, both Bengalis, don't leave them together.
Take Swapna today.
Okay. Yes. Who will go first?
So I'll save myself first, because what I feel when there are 6 people and with different age group and with their different situation, specifically I feel that if I save myself first, I can immediately go and inform to the nearby hospital, because I know my intention
About others. And next, coming to the ex-army person, I feel he is
That's
well
what I
trained.
said, first initial.
When one person speaks,
Yeah.
Yes. Thanks. So when coming to this ex-army person, what I feel, he can take care of the group meanwhile, because he have already been trained in his profession. So meanwhile, when I go to the hospital, the others can be saved. But if in case I give it to others, I don't know what that person is carrying his or her intention. So that is my point. I'll save myself first, and I will keep that army person to look after everyone.
so how do you convince others that?
my belongings, whatever I
What will we do with that?
No, somebody is dying. You give all your belongings. What will they do with it?
I don't know.
What is why are you Googling the answer then? What happened?
I just got ring call and just disconnected.
Okay. Okay. Think through the answer. Yes.
Sanjita, I will share myself. Now, what we thought maybe the military person would be a right person to be saved, who would, little trust and faith if we put across, and he might be the right person to save others. Maybe the kind of strength he has would be better than others in terms of they are trained in such way. So maybe from us, like military person to be saved.
Anybody from army background?
No. Oh, she's.
Okay. Who is in army?
My dad is retired.
Retired, okay. Have you heard that your dad was trained on snake bite rescue?
No, not everybody is trained, but depending on the operation they go, and especially in the commando training, everybody is trained. Not necessarily like everyone will be trained, but it depends.
Okay. Okay. Yes. How would you convince?
The convincing part, I don't know.
Well, I'll speak on her behalf then.
So you are convinced
I
that
have
she
to
should be saved.
That's my team. I have to be convinced.
No, you are convinced that she should be saved.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm convinced that she should be saving herself first. As she has put forth, the army person, whether trained or not, they at least have the basic knowledge of first aid. Tie something so that the blood circulation stops, or do something. In the meantime, she'll get time to go and fetch help. And this is what she would rather put to the group. Assure them. And we have to put our lives in our hand.
Okay. Why not the young boy? First mic, then talk.
Yeah, he might not be that matured enough to understand the situation and give solution. So, rather no for him.
Okay. Why not the pregnant women?
She cannot run. She cannot.
I didn't say how many months pregnant she is.
And it's about women, so you know what happens. How can you speak? She's giving the mic to me. I was never pregnant.
That's good news to know. Okay? Yeah, okay, why not pregnant? Don't know. Achha, we don't want more population. Let's just close. Okay? If you don't have an answer, okay, fine.
No, physically fit, I would say. She is physically fit, but running and all those.
But don't you think if you can save her, you'll save 2 lives?
But we'll be losing 6.
It's okay. With one antidote, you're saving 2 lives.
That way.
No, we are actually thinking of saving all the lives.
Oh, okay.
At least the max.
Yeah, the max what we can do.
Okay. Why not the Technogen employee with after
Never.
party? Oh man!
You got it along with
And that was so spontaneous. Why don't we like them?
They can survive any snake bite. They have that resistance.
Snake is
Technically,
They have
that's
anti-venom. Actually,
Yeah.
that's what he means.
What do you feed yourself with every day? I've also been drinking coffee tea from here. Have I also developed that?
But don't take a chance near a snake. You are not yet trained enough.
How many months of training is that?
She's 5 years, she's 6 years, so they are perfect.
Okay, super. Alright, so what do you think is the right answer for this?
Let's stand on that. Our options. Your guys' team?
I don't think there is any right answer here.
Why?
Because everybody will have their own reason to save each other.
Correct.
There is no right answer. Yes. Same, I can say.
Thank you.
There is no.
Okay.
Practically, if you look, there is no right answer.
Do you there is, yes, definitely there is no right answer, but then do you face such situations in your work life?
Yes, a lot.
Many times? Many times. But then also the company says do it right. How do you handle such situations? That's what we want to know.
That's where you have to grow your capability of handling multiple situations. Wherever you are put into, there might be difficult situations, there might be very, very, situation where you cannot make any decisions. So that's where your maturity level grows. You have to learn from your mistakes and do not repeat those things again.
Need not always learn from him. Sometimes you don't do a mistake, but you learn from your
Yeah.
experience too.
Yeah,
Alright.
experience.
Okay, that sounds good. Now going back to the same ownership mentality or decision making, how do you think it impacts your business?
Can I get a volunteer? One volunteer.
Okay, each of them will tell a point. We'll just record that.
Maybe you can do all colors. Look nice. Okay. How do you think it will impact your business? Impact your business. Business at Technogen.
Thinking different from others.
Thinking differently. Okay. But how will it impact your business? What is the outcome when you think differently?
Close the position as a
See, so I mean, I can say personally, I can speak this incident for me. So if my role is to close a position for the company, it's my job to make sure I get the right candidate, because if I get the wrong candidate in the company, it will impact the production, the atmosphere, everything. So I have to take ownership of the person which I am bringing in.
Okay. So, okay, but how is it impacting the business?
Maintaining that.
Smart work.
Maintaining that, okay.
Smart work.
Okay. Maintaining that is in red. Okay.
Keeping 100% effort.
Again, you are saying what you are doing, right? I want to know, with your small action, what do you think is the impact that you will have?
The business will grow.
How will the business grow?
Good relationship with the client.
Good relationship with the customer,
Generating more revenue.
increase in revenue. Do you need additional support? Increase in revenue.
Good relationship with customers.
Clients or customers.
Increase in revenue. Then
Targets, fulfilling the targets.
fulfilling that you are anyways expected to do, right? This is your target, but you don't have to do it, nobody says.
Maintaining quality in terms of employee, everything. All aspects. Quality.
Maintaining quality. When you say maintaining quality, as per your assessment, you have seen that the candidate is very good and all this blah blah. But once the candidate is placed, in 1 month he's quit, 2 months he's quit, and then or misbehavior. I'm sure these are
Understanding the customer need
okay.
and deliver accordingly.
That you are expected to do, understand the customer need. What, if you understand it right, what is the impact on business again?
Then we will be able to deliver it
Properly.
Because if we
You
don't
get
understand
the trust of the customer.
Customer trust, yes.
Increasing the brand value.
Of course. Increase in brand value. Okay, what else?
Selling points needs to be correct.
Huh?
Selling point
Selling point to whom?
to employees.
When you're sourcing.
Sourcing.
That, how does it impact your business?
Maybe if I say where is John, they might show interest, right? Special interest because it's a
The brand of the customer. Customer, yeah. But how is it impacting Technogen's business? Your loyalty towards the company or your customer's loyalty towards the company? Is it giving any business impact? Now think that each of you is owner of Technogen. Okay? Lakhs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a different gender sometimes, it's okay. So how do you think it will impact?
New ideas.
You get new ideas for business growth? Okay. Okay.
So the success rate of the company goes up. The bar is raised as an impact of all this.
Okay. Success rate. Right? Do you think that way? Yes? No? Maybe? Definitely? Okay. I think, is there anything else anybody wants to add? Vinay is quiet. He's like, okay, thank you.
Welcome.
There you go, the first one.
I would volunteer in everything.
We will not give you a chance.
Thank you, Rashmi.
Okay. Now, can you think of any real-time example or something that you see in the market that has happened, that somebody saw something, took ownership and did something and created a change in the market or change in the world? Is there any example?
Elon Musk.
Okay. What about Elon Musk?
Sample WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. What about WhatsApp? Created distraction?
No, I mean, he's on that way of making it real.
Okay. So did it impact the world?
It impacted, the thinking of many people who were just thinking, but he did it.
Okay. Cool. WhatsApp.
Yeah, recently 5 years back it was implemented. So initially we never think such type of app will come.
And within 1 year it shoot in the market. So they implemented very nicely.
Okay. Okay.
Another one I can say Facebook. It's a very, very vast platform.
How did it change? What changed? What changed after WhatsApp was implemented?
Global connectivity. Yes.
Connectivity made easier?
Yes.
Okay.
Same for Facebook. I mean, I could find many of my schoolmates with whom we lost connections and touch through Facebook.
Okay. Then, anything else?
Edward Salget invented polio vaccine. It's entirely changed the world.
Okay, that's a good example. Then,
The scientist who actually found out coronavirus, he changed the world. Now we are all more disciplined. We wash our hands and legs the moment you go back. We take a bath. We wash our hands before eating.
okay, the scientist who found out coronavirus has more impact or the vaccine for the coronavirus?
Vaccine is not your truth itself. There are side effects, ill effects. I myself am a dilemma. For my dad, there's a booking done, but
Same thing.
I am not sure whether to get it done or not. But yes, discipline had been pumped in indirectly. Now we are more cautious. We are not shaking hands anymore.
But again, here I would like to add on, because it is because of Corona now. Once it goes, do you think that this discipline will be maintained?
Yes. Fear of life.
I don't think so.
Fear of life.
I don't think so. Maybe some part.
Okay, we'll go back to the debate later. Anything else on ownership? Anybody who did something and changed the whole impact or impacted the world? I'm sure everybody has one. I'll make everybody say one. Yes. Nice, Nirupa. Then who invented light? Hey, Shakir spoke. I likes it. Okay. Who invented phone? Hey, nice. I asked phone. Who invented watch? I also don't know. Okay. Huh? Titan? No, definitely not Titan. Then what else? What else is a good invention that changed the world? Flight. Who was it?
Wright brothers.
Wright brothers? They did it right?
Television.
Yeah. It's done. Shakir takes the ownership of that. What else? These girls are not talking anything, so we'll talk. Okay, come up with something. Don't know who at least talk about yourself. Who invented you? Was there an impact in the world?
Education.
Okay.
Shopping, portable shopping.
Huh?
Online
E-commerce.
E-commerce. Who invented e-commerce?
Amazon and Jeff Bezos.
He didn't invent. E-commerce was already there. Yes. So that's a homework for you. I think all of you will go back and look up for 10 inventions that changed the world. Okay? And 10 different. One person does and everybody copies? No. No, I don't want cross inventions.
Yes, doable? Yes. Okay, all of you get up. Yes, push your chair behind. Let's see how good your listening skills are. How good are your listening skills?
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate yourself? 8?
But she didn't say whether 10 is good or bad.
Hey, you are the only man who said that. High five.
I'm still
Smart.
waiting for that.
Oh, okay. I take the high five back. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, if 1 being the highest.
1.
All of you 1? No. Definitely no. What's your number?
I'll say 3.
Okay. Pravina. Pravina is what? Positive. 4? 5? 3? 5.
Out of 10, 7 I guess.
One is the best.
highest.
Yeah, I am sure this is the only man everybody wants first rank, he wants 10th rank.
3 I guess.
I guess no, you are on listening skills. Why are you guessing? Yes, Shakir? 3? 3? 3? 4? 5? 3? 2?
3.5.
Okay, but is listening very important for you guys?
Yes.
Very important, right? What's the difference between listening and hearing?
Hearing is without hearing.
Okay, when you, why? I have 2 ears, one doesn't work. Only one works, so one at a time.
Standing on the better side. She said this doesn't work. May I say so?
Yeah,
When you listen, you comprehend. When you hear, you don't.
you don't. It's just about, give me an example. What do you hear right now?
Noise.
What do you listen right now?
You.
Good! Now you get this.
Finally.
Okay, wait, give here. It comes on a condition. All of you pull your chair. I didn't say sit. Pull your chair, that's all. Ready? Yes? Stand in front of your chair.
Okay.
Okay. Your chair is, I don't want you to fall down, so hold your chair so that you can sit. You can sit, no. When I say you can sit. Okay? Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Even I need exercise. Okay. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand.
Stand, you said.
Bad listener.
I was following you.
I said listen to me. I didn't say watch me. This, you lost it.
Okay. I learned it again.
Have you watched this movie? Yes. No. It's called The Mountain Man. Anybody who said they watched it? Nobody? You have watched it? You want to tell them what's the story? Not like a 3 hour. 2 minutes.
This story belongs to Bihar state, and
He's a man called Manji. His name is Manji, and he broke that mountain to make the road in between. So the connectivity will be there from village to city area.
For all medical reasons. It starts with the medical reason. All right, yeah. So that's a small story, but what we are trying to understand is anything can be possible. Now, you take
ownership, you are working, you are taking care of all the work that's given, you are taking care of your customer, you are able to do everything
well, but you have challenges. Or is it easy? Do you face challenges? Yes? Can we write down the challenges? Yes? Who? I need a volunteer.
No, she's done.
Rashmi will not give me a second chance.
Anyone with a good handwriting.
Yeah, get up. It's okay. Your handwriting is not being checked.
No, it should be legible also.
It's okay. I don't write because it's my creative writing. Nobody understands.
Oh, that's positive thinking. Then I'm also creative.
Okay, what are some of the challenges you face in your real time life? While you're working at technology. Not only that, wherever, whatever. What are the challenges that you have? Active participation.
Competition in terms of other vendors.
Okay, competition. When you say competition, why do you say competition? They are able to source faster? Is that what it is? Then?
Multiple vendors working at the same time.
Same requirement?
Yes, and the same requirement. So, the competition to get the right profile. I mean, duplicate ratio increases.
Okay. Then, what are the other challenges? Candidate backouts. Okay.
That's the biggest challenge.
Then? Convincing whom? Convincing candidates.
Convincing employees. My challenge.
What is convincing employees on the customer side?
No, convincing employees on the policies part.
CTC part.
CTC part.
Expecting CTC,
Main-
expect more beyond the budget.
We negotiate, right? So regarding that.
So that's a candidate only you negotiate, right?
For her employees.
For me, it's candidates. For me, it's employees. Both.
Tell me a little more. Why do you say employees?
So employees, when we introduce some new policies which were not in place earlier. So
Oh, you're a HR here. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. Convincing, okay. Then. Hey, you don't have any challenge, huh?
Contract jobs.
What about contract jobs?
Comes under convincing.
convincing.
What about it?
So usually every employee needs some full-time employment. So we used to convince them to get into the contract job.
Oh, okay. Okay. What else?
Convincing the management to have people at market and to pay according to the market.
Convincing the customer.
No, see, me and Madhuri work for the internal hiring. So.
Oh, internal hiring here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Budget regarding
That's
budget.
again.
Likho.
Budget.
Huh. Somebody said something here. Okay. Then? What are the other challenges?
Closing a niche position within the TAT.
Closing requirement within TAT. Okay.
Holding the candidate.
It's a challenge.
Yeah.
Indeed a challenge.
Holding the candidate because as the
After
market
offer.
is so competitive, so we want to hold the candidates like 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. So mostly 30 days.
Okay. Holding the can. Literally holding. Okay.
Because
What
we
else?
want to know the pulse of the candidate before holding it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What else?
The biggest challenge is convincing the employees for a change in their routine. It can be anything related to their daily work, the style in which the organization was functioning. So convincing them
This is
And I'm-
internal.
Internal?
Internal.
I mean, that's my role. That's why I'm telling you about
So
it.
it's basically resistance to change.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's a challenge.
Okay.
New opportunities from the customer.
Getting new opportunities. I like that challenge. Okay. Getting new opportunities from customer. Because you get new opportunities internally, many. You will say, no, stop, I don't want. Okay. Then.
It's a challenge. It's a challenge.
This is where I have to convince, and this is my challenge.
They were staying after 6:30 also as a challenge.
Yes.
Okay, we'll take care of internal challenges later because it's business acumen. Okay, what else?
Avoiding the no-shows.
No shows is a challenge. Interview no show.
/ no show. What else? No, Madhuri, you are visible, but your writing is not visible.
Candidate shopping around.
Holding the candidate actually comes, shopping around.
/
Venturing
hold,
in the market.
Shopping.
holding / shopping.
Holding these.
Okay, what else?
Understanding the customer needs. Exactly what.
If that itself is a challenge,
Sometimes.
understanding customer needs,
Able to understand their pulse, what exactly they are thinking.
gift everybody with the Apple Watch, it will check the pulse and tell you.
Every day they change their
What's your typical TAT that you need to close the requirement in?
A week's time or maybe 2 weeks.
You don't work on short TATs, 24 hours,
Closing, if you say closing, then it takes a week's time.
weeks time. Okay.
Minimum.
Okay. What else is a challenge? Or is that all?
100% matching to the job description on the profile.
100% matching
Match
to.
profile.
Skills based on
100% match
What is the
profile.
job description?
Okay.
We might not.
100% matching skills profile. JD.
Yeah, JD, job description.
I can see so much space here. Okay. What else? Is that all? Okay, let's focus on these challenges. Thank you. My chocolate is selling.
Thank you.
Okay, let's focus on some of the challenges.
Because it's something you've already done it, right? Understanding customer needs. How do you, what all do you do in order to understand customer needs?
We'll take initial call before sourcing with the panel.
Okay. Initial call to करना ही पड़ेगा. Speaking with the technical panel to understand the requirement better. That's the first thing that we try to do. Okay. Okay.
What are the existing employees is there in the company? It's the same kind of role, then we will understand what they will be right.
Okay, since you guys do it on a daily basis, can we do a quick role play? One of you be the customer and one of you your own role.
Yes? 2 volunteers. Get up. I will sleep now.
Raghu.
Why Swapna?
Why Swapna? Raghu and Swapna.
Swapna and Raghu.
Huh.
Yes.
Yes. On popular demand.
Popular public demand.
Ah. Come, get up.
Smiley Swapna.
Come.
Smiley Swapna.
Are you going to make her cry?
No.
Huh.
Who will be the customer and who will be?
And the
Everybody wants to be the customer today.
Holding 10 plus years of experience, and the role is data scientist. On the person should be having like Python with artificial intelligence and machine learning.
That's all.
That's it.
I will go and sit and work.
Oh, you don't question, you don't ask anything else? It's a real time scenario. How do you handle when somebody gives you a requirement?
Okay, but what are the companies you are looking at?
I'm targeting, telecom domain companies that could be added advantage to our profile, and I can say people management also, because we are looking for 10 plus guy, right? So at least you need to handle like 20 people in a team.
Yeah, in market is a 10 plus years guys drawing in data science. It's at least 80 lakhs in annual.
Okay.
So if you are matching the budget, then
we have budget limitation up to 60 LP.
60 LP. Then you cannot target it for premium candidates. And meanwhile, same like premium candidates, like in in top colleges, candidates also same doing in the current role. So we can propose that candidates.
Okay, premium candidates are going to submit.
No, not only, we are not submitted premium candidates. Premium candidates budget is very high, so then I will submit it top level companies, like 100 top level colleges. Yeah.
Oh, sure, no problem. That could be matching.
He's convinced.
I should not convince. That is the
He's only a customer.
Oh, okay. No, it's not possible. Actually, we have several profiles, but we didn't choose correct resource. So still we are looking or chasing again.
Yes, I'm agree with you, but the 7 candidates is not stick on your budget, and also if they get any new opportunities in the market, within 1-2 months they will left your company. Then again you started for the hiring. It's take lot of time to fill that position. So I suggested to you take such kind of people. They will stay back for at least 3 years, 4 years in your company. Because the IIT and NIT candidates is having more opportunities in the market. Meanwhile, these candidates also competed same kind of thing. So you can take.
No, I want within budget with premium institute and premium colleges what you are saying, and you can take around time like 30 days to close this position, not immediately.
Yes, we will do.
Just try for
We
that.
will do.
Or then we can look for other vendor.
We will do.
Can you laugh when you're talking to the customer? Huh.
Already close that position with right candidate to
Just submit the profiles and look into it and I'll give you
Sure.
feedback on this.
Okay. So any feedback for the customer? Good. Yeah, that's a good point. So you don't say negatives at the first time. Yeah. We say yes and then we do the okay. Awesome. Yeah, that's a good point. Then have you ever had a challenge where the candidate actually fits in technically perfect, but interviewer didn't like it? The reason is just didn't like it.
Because of attitude.
Job hops, communication.
Skill set wise also not matching. We thought it's a matching one, but when they undergo through the deep technical screening, they might not be matching.
Okay.
Sometimes project wise.
So do you do the first level screening? Yes. How do you assess these non-technical skills of a person? And okay, first of all, what all do you assess as non-technical skill?
They want to answer.
Attitude, communication, huh?
Seriousness of candidate, whether
Even interest level is a good job.
Okay. Okay.
Stability also.
Okay. What's a good stability or a credibility number?
2 years to 1
2
company.
years minimum.
Two to
One
2
company.
years.
Minimum 2 years. Minimum 2 years.
Okay. Okay.
Correct reason. Exactly.
Which nobody gives true.
Yeah.
Then?
There is a carrier growth.
One very important pointer is that if they are from outstation candidates, what is the family they have, whether a bachelor or married. If married, then what the spouse is doing, because all these pointers we take into consideration when they relocate.
Or can you ask them about it?
Yes, we do. We do probing. Otherwise, we don't know whether they will relocate or not.
I'm not sure that's
Some people will give the correct answer, some people will avoid.
So typically, let me give you my experience. If you do it outside India, these are personal questions. You cannot assess them based on that.
What's the family background? So what's the reason for relocation?
Mhm.
And who stay with you? Like who are family members?
Hmm.
So why so long you wanted to come and work? You have another opportunities also.
But why was the break?
Not break. If they wanted to relocate from north to south, why
Okay.
so long? Like had they worked earlier in south region or not?
Okay. Okay. How do you assess attitude? Communication, okay, they speak. You have life. How do you assess attitude? Because you're mostly doing telephone skill. I'm sorry, telephonic round. How do you assess the attitude?
How easy they are answering to us.
How easy they are answering, okay?
Or attention to details, whatever we are asking, whether they are answering or
How prompt they answer.
Prompt, yes,
Therein
the
where we
promptness to
catch.
answer.
If they lie, they actually take
Yeah,
a pause,
they will
long pause.
hesitate. They will not
Hesitate.
take long call. At least like 10 minutes. They will not. They will not stick. They will tell like simply, okay, I'll call you back.
Okay.
So if they are asking more questions about the position or about the company.
Oh, if the candidate asks more questions, then you feel something fishy? Oh, okay. Oh, that's how you check that. All right, okay. Then, Shakir, what do you do? MIS? What do you think are the most reasons why they reject people? You don't only work on Excel. What is in Excel? I don't know. Huh? Performance of each of you, or? He has the control. He can mix the numbers. Be careful. He is silent, can get violent. Okay, super. Yeah, what are the, again, how do you, I really want to know, how do you assess the attitude? Because even though you have checked it, round 1 he was very good, but round 2 failed or no show or gave some other reasons. What are some of the funny experiences you have? Do you have any?
Yes, I have. For Verizon specifically, there was a candidate who was supposed to join on a Monday, okay, and I called him. He said, I'm sitting in the reception. So I confidently called the Spock and told that he is sitting in the reception, please take care of him. So it was almost after 15 to 20 minutes, he called back. So where is he? So I said, he is at the reception. He's telling, somebody is assisting him to go and go to the lobby where you are. So later on, I found out he has not joined only Verizon. That's a funny incident for me.
Okay. Then?
Some people will do proxy intelligence.
Oh,
Proxy call.
somebody can say, I'm Rashmi. Like that?
Right. They take the technical discussions.
Oh, how do you find out?
To avoid this, initially we are taking video calls, but telephone we can't avoid.
First round is fine, right? First round is generally not technical, right? Do you do technical round too?
No, we don't.
No, right? You don't. You do only first level screening.
Panel will take telephonic calls also to the candidates. So maybe there is a chance to take proxy calls.
Okay. So do you typically have, if the like a backup, when you say no show, do you have another secondary candidate that's already ready? Yes. But is the customer okay with it? Oh, okay. But then if you've already scheduled half an hour or 1 hour.
Request customer, like by end of the day we'll be sharing a backup profile. So or else by tomorrow, the first half we'll be sharing the backup profile. So we ourselves propose the customer for the quality profile.
Okay. So, but then you have blocked somebody's half an hour or 1 hour. How do you take care of that? That's a damage done. How do you do the damage control?
Either we give a prior notice to the customer that this candidate won't be attending the interviews. That's what we do during the follow-ups. We do like.
That is if you know.
Yeah.
If you know the candidate is not attending, okay, yeah. But if you don't know, if it's a surprise for you too.
Target for immediate position to pull the customer, mostly. So
But then immediate candidate is not ready for the role, right?
we search like immediate or 1 week or 15 days max, not a high notice period, and with good communication skills and all skills matching. So gunshot profile we give mostly.
You can't give at the same time 3 different profiles saying no show then this, no show then this, can you?
Generally, no, it doesn't. We don't. We have particular slots for each and every candidate. But if it is a no-show, only way the damage control at times could be done is giving prior intimation and then scheduling a new candidate the next day.
Okay, okay, that's nice. Any of the challenges that you feel that is really tough and you were not able to handle it? Okay, and the only way right now is
to provide other profiles.
Other profile, but immediately it cannot be done, right? What can you do to do it immediately? So that, see, end of the day, the customer's half an hour is most important. How do you take care of that? I know it's a real-time challenge. I'm just brainstorming. What can be done?
Really sorry, we could say nothing.
That's the only thing that can be done.
We go for the customer and we ask like 2 to 3 days of
Oops.
time.
Okay.
So it happens in recruitment actually.
It's a part of recruitment.
Yeah.
Backout is part of recruitment. Do you? Okay. How often do you check whether the candidate is actually showing up to the interview or not?
Mock calls will do.
Mock calls you'll do, okay. For example, you have scheduled I have asked for a solution architect for my company. Now you have scheduled an interview, you have shortlisted someone, you have scheduled an interview with me.
People
who are working or met with an accident.
So people who are working, they say sudden
Production
things has
support.
come up.
Meetings and production support issues. So last night we did not sleep.
Oh, I didn't sleep, so I cannot attend the interview? Okay, that's interesting. Okay, then?
I'm so
One
tired,
time
so
one
I
guy
cannot
saying,
take
yesterday night I will take full drink and then I'm not able to
That was one instance.
One instant is happened.
And he was so honest that he told that to the interview panel.
I'm in a hangover, so I can't.
And what did the interview panel come back?
Rejected. He was a potential candidate, but because of this attitude, they dropped him.
So did it impact you guys?
Yes, it did.
Yes?
We took more time to close that position.
Okay. Okay. Good challenge. All right. Anything else? So the minimum time is half an hour before you check. That's the best thing that you do. All right. Okay, got it. Is there anything else that you can do so that you ensure that the candidate actually does not show up? Can you be online during the interview process?
Not all the time. If client is making us a part of the interview, when the Teams call happens or the Google invite is sent, then we can be part of it.
So which is your largest account? Verizon?
Verizon.
And how many? Qualcomm. Okay.
Largest account.
How many closures do you make in a month?
For all the clients?
Largest account.
Previously it was 15, 20 at times we had reached in a
That's
month.
okay. Which is your newest account?
Mass Mutual.
How many requirements have you closed already?
One. Infosys also.
Infosys is a new
Infinite also.
Microsoft requirement. Okay. Okay, then what else? Okay. Now what do you think? How long has Verizon been with you guys?
5 years.
5 years. Okay. What do you think? Why are they sticking to Technogen?
Quality, the trust we built over the years,
Uh-huh.
Timely submissions,
Mm-hmm.
understanding the requirements and closing in TAT,
Mm-hmm.
Good number of
selections, yeah.
So when you say good number of selection, if they ask you for one profile, you give them 4 or 5 shortlisted. Is that what do you mean by good number of selection?
Offers.
Closure. Offers.
No, for one requirement, we submit 9 to 10 profiles.
No, that depends. If it is drive, we follow 1:10.
Mhm.
If it is a regular position, 1:5.
Okay.
Quality. Like out of 5 profiles, we could make
If
one
they share
selection.
10 positions, we will at least close 8 to 9 positions. 1 or 2 is gone, but at least.
And backouts, less of backouts,
Less
joining
of
backouts. Last year we had almost only 18% backout.
Because it's Verizon. Now what if, how do you handle that? I know you handle it with a smile, but what do you do?
Give answer to whatever questions he's asking, and if you don't know, go to your next level manager, ask the answers, and then get back to the candidate, or pass that candidate to the next level manager so that it could be handled in a better. Some questions are unanswered for the candidate.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe the next line manager can step in and answer those questions for the candidate.
Mm-hmm. How important is it for you to know the role very well? Right? One is you are a brand ambassador for Technogen, right? People are assessing you as Technogen, not as individuals. Definitely not, right? Now you are a brand ambassador on the candidate side too. For the candidate side, you are brand ambassador for 2 companies. One is your customer, one is Technogen. On the customer side, you are a brand ambassador for Technogen, right? So it's multiple roles that you are handling, and I am sure it is very stressful, right? How often do you give up? Acha, I cannot do it, forget it. Silence means very, very often? No such cases, never give up? Is that the attitude that we should? Awesome. Sure, 100%. Yeah? Pakka.
Yes.
Lock किया जाए.
Lock किया जाए.
Acha. Okay, cool. That's nice to know. But then, why are we not growing other accounts? Why only Verizon is the largest account? What's the next one? Qualcomm.
Relationship.
No, the requirement also depends on Verizon requirements are, you get good candidates in the market, but Qualcomm requirements you don't get more profiles. So those are, little niche skills, wherein, convincing the candidate coming into a support kind of a role from development background, that is a little, challenging.
That's real. Well said. That is definitely challenging. But what is also important is your relationship management with the customer, right? Now, for example, if I'm the customer and I have given you the requirement, there are many times that I have a couple of team members with whom you can also network, right? When I'm not available, they might give you some insights. So you never know which source will help you, right? So do you think that will help? Instead of having only one single point of contact, for you to penetrate further and grow that account, right? You need to start looking at other options or other opportunities. How often do you, when you get into an account, how often do you check whether do I know anybody already here? Do you do that? Yes, that's one of the very good ways that it will start helping you. Do you first connect up with them on LinkedIn? Yes. Yes. When you connect up with them on LinkedIn, you also search for any other contacts, peers that you have, right? Okay. Individually handle your customer.
Go and meet them in person?
So
Corona times, COVID times, you can't meet in person. So each of you goes to the customer's side?
Generally, the account managers will be going and meeting the customer.
Meeting the customer.
Yeah, not
Okay.
the recruitment team. But however, if it is in the same city, sometimes we take the recruitment team if they allow.
Okay. So, okay, the account managers, again, they go and talk only to one person or
Multiple.
whatever,
All the stakeholders.
whatever sources.
They are working with.
Okay. Okay. Only you both are account managers or anybody else?
I also go for a meeting.
Okay. Okay. What other ways do you think you can expand the existing account? All that is jazz. Now, we know. We are doing it. Delivering on time, quality profile, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Now tell me, if you have to grow your account, what is that you need to do?
Maintaining a good rapport with the customer.
What is maintaining good rapport? Keep sending them gifts every time?
Every now and then we will keep talking to them and just.
Hello, hi. Did you have coffee? Did you have lunch?
No, addressing the requirement, what they have immediately and giving the right kind of candidate, that's where you build the trust of a customer.
That's true. Huh?
Branding, actually.
Maintaining the tat, okay.
Yeah, branding. Suppose if a customer want to, if he got one requirement, his mind want to think, okay, so and so person, so and so organization. If we give this requirement, for sure they're close.
Correct. Yes. So forget about the organization also. First, it has to be you, right? Your Technogen, yes, that you know it. But for the customer, it is you. He comes to you because you are doing a good job. You are the good contact point for them, right? So it is you who plays the major important role in maintaining the account as well as growing the account, right? And how can you do that? Only when you start owning this account, right? If you start saying, okay, this is my account, I need to grow, right? Do you plan for yourself? You plan your 6 months goal, 1 year goal, right? Similarly for this account also you start planning, right? So only when you take ownership is when you will start looking at how to grow this business. Is it important for you to grow the business? Yes? Why? Because your goal is just closures.
Business grows, revenue is generated, you grow with the company.
As recruitment is the backbone for an organization, many of the organizations, we want to increase the revenue.
Very true. Increase the revenue. Again, before even thinking of increasing the revenue, you want to capture this customer as much as possible. There's not only one department, it has many departments, and they have rapport building, very important. That is, again, you have to think positive. You always operate with a winner's attitude, right? What next? What new can I do? What new can I do for the customer? Is what you keep thinking and keep doing, right? And that is what it is all about. Again, there is no secret formula. Each of the customer handles each of the things differently, right? How many of you are sleepy? Why are you not talking?
I have a reason. I don't know anything about recruitment. I'm learning things.
Oh, you are my RFP person. Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So it's very important for you to take ownership of everything that you do, because one small little mistake that you do, it impacts the whole team, the whole company, and also the customer. Yes? So every action that you take, you got to really think twice, really think maybe 4 or 5 times, where you will think and say, what is that you will do in order to increase your account size? Only yours. Okay? Yes? Simple task, no? Say yes.
Yes.
If you do that fast, we'll go out fast. Okay? So I'll just pass these cards. Take one and pass. Oh, give me one. Thank you. You got it? Everybody got it? Okay. What I want you to do is, first and foremost, fold it. Your two orange lines should be seen. Both the orange lines should be seen. Done? Okay. Now what you will do is, on top it says, I will stop. First, analyze, understand what are the things that you should stop doing in order to improve your own performance, and write it. Just write 3 points, that's all. What do you think you need to stop doing to improve your performance? 3 points. To improve your work. This is not for client acquisition, this is just improve your work. Simple doubt. You want? No, you don't want. No, nobody can think of a point. Don't think. That's a true lie. Nobody is perfect. I'm sure there are a lot of things that you're doing where you're losing track of time. Are you guys very good in doing everything on time? I don't see it. It's very not agreeable for me, because I don't think any team is that perfect. There is something that there is a room for improvement. Right? Yes? If you think you're that perfect, then you got to rethink. So once you write what you will stop, the second thing you will write is what you will start doing in order to grow your accounts.
Yeah. We have X to C.
Thank you. Oh, so what is the target that's there?
It's their salary into
5. 5x. Okay, maybe you can take some more time. Well, once you go back, and it's performance pressure, peer pressure, whatever. Okay. What I want you to do is, once you go back to your desk, everybody has a designated desk? Yes? Please ask HR to help you with drawing pins. Okay? Once you go back to your desk, put a drawing pin here and stick it there. Okay? What I want you to see daily is this. This is a reminder. When you are wandering, Acha, I am not doing this. Close. Do this. Okay? Just focus on what you need to do. What you need to stop will automatically stop. Yes? Simple try. One thing that we can do. One learning for the day. Yes? Okay, super. With that, we will conclude. If you have any questions, I'll take it. But otherwise, it was a very quick hush-push session. Or we can do it again based on, we can do a little more deep dive into all of these things and do another session if you want. Otherwise, it's fine.
We definitely would.
We can take one problem at a time. It's again, we brainstorm, figure out, and come up with 10 options. We try this, no, try this, no, try this, try this. That's what it is. Okay, super. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. I appreciate it. I hope you got at least one small something to learn. Yes? Hopefully. Watch your care. Ek to you don't talk. I can't see your face also. How do I even assess what you know? No problem. Okay? Thank you so much and have a great evening, rest of the day, and happy Shivratri.
Thank you.
And belated happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
Thank you.